In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators on Veed.io. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates into your workspace so you can create, edit, and review videos together in one place. First, head to the home area of your Veed workspace. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the correct workspace where you want people to collaborate. If you manage multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace name in the interface to confirm you're in the right spot before you proceed. This helps avoid inviting someone to the wrong space. Next, look for the invite button, typically visible on the workspace home screen. It's usually near the top of the page and easy to spot. Go ahead and select it. This opens a small window or panel designed specifically for adding collaborators. In the invite panel, enter the email address of the person you want to add. Take a moment to double check the spelling. A small typo can prevent the invitation from arriving. If Veed allows it in your view, you can paste more than one email address, often separated by commas or spaces, to invite multiple people at once. Some versions of the panel also include a message field. If you see it, a short note helps your teammate recognize what the invite is for. When you're ready, select Invite to send the email. Now wait for your collaborator to accept the invitation that arrives in their inbox. They'll receive a link that brings them into your workspace. While you're waiting, you may see their status listed as pending. There's nothing more you need to do on your end until they accept. If they don't see the email after a few minutes, ask them to check their spam or promotions folders, or have them search their inbox for the platform name. Resending the invite from the same panel is often available if needed. Once they accept, they become a member of your workspace. From that point on, they can access the projects and collaborate with you inside Veed, keeping everything centralized and up to date. If you ever need to check who's in your workspace or invite more people later, return to the same invite area on the home screen and follow the exact steps again. That's all there is to it. Open your workspace home, use the invite option, add the email address, and let your teammate accept the link. With your collaborators in place, you can move faster, share feedback clearly, and keep your video workflow organized.